numbers. So you complete it. Now you have 48 as the first number, followed by 51. Then you have 54, 57. The next number on the pattern should be, the next number on the pattern should be 60. 60, that's correct. You have 500. The next number is 1,000, followed by 1,500. The next number on the pattern should be
2,000.
2,000. Now,
my name is Massawa, founder of the Massawa French Laboratory, which is a platform created for the promotion of teaching and learning of French in various schools, various basic schools, as well as online. So I've decided that in order to promote the language, the study of the language, I have to give back to society. And that's the more reason why when I heard of the Maths and Science quiz competition at Tema Metro, I decided that I'll offer certification as part of sponsorship so that the people will see the need for the study of science and mathematics. However, I need them to understand that it's not about maths and science alone that makes the entire education system complete. Languages are also as important as the science and maths. Let's look at this. All our subjects are taught in English language, and so if you don't know how to communicate, how well will you understand what is being taught to you? In as much as English is important, French is also important for interactions. That's the more reason why I've decided to offer certification, so that when each time they pick their certificates and then they see the menu, the Massawa French Laboratory on it, they should remember that if they are taking their science and math serious, they should take their French also serious, and then they integrate them to become a complete student that will fit into the social life after school.
Madam, we understand you have something special from us, from your golden heart, to the Education Directorate. Our dear mommy, Mrs. Benisofori, will receive it on behalf of all of us, and we know from then what we are going to use those items or those things for.
Hello and good afternoon, everybody. My name is Massawa. I am the founder for Massawa French Laboratory. Okay, so I've decided to support the maiden Science and Maths quiz for Tema Metro Primary with certificate. The reason is that although French and mathematics are important, students see it as very, very important because they are core subjects. I also want you people to know that even with the science and then the maths, it is English that is used in teaching, right? So you should also see French and English language. I'm French and English bias, so you should see both as important. Whenever you pick the certificate, you should know that French is also important, and so we have to integrate it in our learning. Is that okay? So that's the more reason why I've decided to bring this to support the program. Thank you.
Thank you to our clear director, who is the member of the Education Directorate in Tema.
With her, and then our first teacher, Ghana most outstanding teacher for 2020. They are all supporting this final program, which we are holding here today. I love what she said. Without the language, without your English or your French language or whatever, you cannot answer any science question. You cannot answer any maths question. Now we have problem-solving approach of teaching. And these problems are written in language, which you should understand first. So she is right on point for supporting this program. She has a message that is telling you, take your language equally serious. And it will help you to answer your maths and science questions, quizzes, questions, or whatever examination you pass it well, because you read and understand before you are able to solve the problem. Right?
Yes, madam.
Good. This is the maiden edition of Science and Maths quiz for primary schools in the Tema Metro. Why are we worrying ourselves with this program? The WASI results and the BEC results that came showed that we have not performed so well in maths and science. Maths and science, I'm sure one day I'll meet you at National Science and Maths.
And do exploits with the right guidance.
So let's go.
We focus all on people. School children have also done so well. And as I said, we have excelled.
Okay.
Let's continue to prepare these children. Madam, God bless you.
Please take part. You don't want to clap.